Hey everyone, today Rebecca's going to show you a science kit that she wanted summer reading. What are we doing today?
Make my own Earth and Moon. You're
going to make your own Earth and Moon? Alright, so we haven't opened this yet, so go ahead and open it.
Which side?
Whichever one you want to open.
Oh.
What?
Half of the Earth is that.
Oh, we'll pull it out.
It's stuck.
Try pulling it out.
Got it.
There you go.
It looks like a light.
Anything else?
Nope.
Okay, so what's the first thing we need to do?
Is there any instructions?
Not that I'm seeing. What does your thing say right there on front?
Think of a year. 365.2 Earth days.
Can I see?
Meter.
Earth, length of a year is 365.2 Earth days. Diameter is 7,926 miles. Mostly covered with water, it appears bright blue. Ooh. Alright, try opening it up. Unfold it.
I think I
Looks like it unfolds.
Whoa.
Cool.
This is floppy. Whoa. We're gonna have to hold it now.
Let's see. Hold this out. Go ahead and open it.
The moon is in this. It's like the moon orange. It's probably. It looks more like the sun.
Can you put it together? Good job.
One more thing. String.
String. Okay, so what did you do for other people who get these kits and that have no instructions, and so we know what to do?
I was going to take it all the way apart.
You're going to take it all the way apart? Okay. Alright, so that's what it looks like flat. And literally, there were no instructions in the box, so it's all on Matt's awesome, amazing intuitiveness.
I helped.
Yes, you did help. Alright, so what are we doing first?
Alright. It's my assumption that we need to lock these together on both the bottom and the top.
You broke the world. We are all doomed. The world is broken. Okay, now you're just doing it for fun.
Yep. The string right here goes through these beads, and I think I found that dot there. So the string goes through that. Or we could find some type of where it goes.
Maybe it suspends from these two dots here, and you're supposed to tie it from it. The Earth has a hole in the little bead on top of it. It looks like maybe it should hang from this way. And this is why science experiments are best done with data available.
Alright, let's do it like this. Let me see your moon.
Let's see, I think
We're
this
going
is
right through there.
you tying a fisherman's knot?
I think I'm just going to use this pin right here.
Maybe.
Put
I
two
thought
holes
those
in
were
there.
stars.
And we'll take this.
Do you trust him? Do you trust him?
Mm-hmm.
We will.
The Earth wants to be with the moon. I have the force.
Be sure to leave ourselves some slack.
Are you having fun playing with the earth?
Yes.
Do you feel powerful? Constantly destroying the world.
Thought we were raising a Disney princess. We're actually raising a Kronos.
Hey. I don't want to be Kronos.
I'm gonna move the pin out of your way. Want to help Daddy? All right, hold your earth in place while he ties a knot. That may be too low because it's only gonna have like that much room to dangle. Just hold it tight.
What's a fisherman's knot?
It's a special knot that fishermen use to tie their hooks on.
Oh.
Now I destroy the world.
Okay, now you're Kronos.
You're Kronos, not me.
Now just go. Hey Rebecca, I think Daddy might need some kid scissors. Can you run and get Daddy some kid scissors?
Right there, above my thumb.
Between his fingers.
No, closer to my thumb, down here. Down here.
Here?
Yes.
Oh.
Awesome. And now he has to reassemble the box.
Alright. I think the way this should go is this flap should go in first. No. These flaps go in first.
I think the sun and moon go in the box.
That's not the sun. That's the moon and earth.
Moon and Earth.
Hey Rebecca, can you hold your moon and earth while Dad folds the box?
There's half of it.
Where's the...
I don't think we would do very good at creating a universe.
No.
I think I'm wrong anyway, so.
Alright. We got this.
Ooh, new fishing line.
Yeah, your earth isn't hanging very much.
Perfect.
Daddy.
Now what do we do?
That's it. It's all done. What do you think? Did you just try to clap a fishing line in your hand? Yeah, they don't exactly hang, do they? There's not really enough room for them to hang. Alright, what do you think of your kit?
I love it.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
But could you do it by yourself?
No.
Tell Daddy.
have no idea how to do a fishing knot.
Can you tell Daddy thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tell everybody bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Gentle fist bump.